Welcome everyone to Weekly News and a TW Main Major Tidbit, and the topic for this video is impeachment trial ni Sara pabitin.
Hindi ako abogado, pero ako ay isang Pilipino.
Hindi po ako abogado. Ako po ay madalas akusado. Ako po ay ex-convict.
Kami ang Duterte kami. Di ba malinaw naman siguro yun. Kahit sunugin mo ako dito, mangangamoy Rodrigo Roa Duterte ako, di ba?
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Senator, nag-iisip lang. I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit, Mr. President. To be honest, Holy Spirit is guiding me all the time. Thank you, Mr. President.
Why are these people proudly flaunting they're not lawyers and has pledged allegiance to the detained Dear Daddy Duterte to The Hague, the Netherlands? Ibinalik ng Senado in a vote of 18-5 ang mga articles of impeachment ni VP Sara Duterte sa Kamara para raw ma-certify na i-concur na hindi sila lumabag sa konstitusyon by entertaining 4 impeachment complaints and transmitting just 1.
No, wala kami responsibility doon sa ambiguous motion na yun. Kung ano man ang effect nun, sila ipa-explain natin. But this has been a very disappointing night for the Senate.
Ang 5 senador na nag-vote ng no to remand or return the impeachment complaints sa House of Representatives ay, again, the 2 minorities. Senator Coco Pimentel, Senator Risa Ontiveros, adding Senator Grace Poe, Senator Nancy Binay, and Senator Sherwin Gatchalian.
And in accordance with our solemn duty under the Constitution, I most respectfully move, number 1, that our legislative business be suspended. Number 2, that we already convene as the impeachment court at this very moment.
They debated the wording of the Constitution with even Senate President Chis Escudero blaming the vagueness umano ng wording ng Constitution para sa pagbagal ng proseso ng impeachment na madali ang namang sinagot ng mismong nagsulat ng Constitution, specifically that part. And even in the Tagalog version, ang tawag doon, ang sabi doon, agad-agaran.
Hindi po mahirap intindihin ang utos sa sino mang tapat ang intensyong sundin ito. Ang paglilitis ay dapat agarang simulan, nang walang pag-iwas o iba pang pagpapaliban. In fact, retired Justice Adolfo Azcuna, who wrote the procedural section that included the word forthwith, said that it meant, and I quote, immediately and without unreasonable delay, or in the national language official version, agad-agad.
Nakapagsagutan pa si Senator Coco Pimentel kina Alan Peter Cayetano, Bato de la Rosa at Bongo dahil sa kanilang pag-question sa kanyang motion to start the impeachment process na hindi rin makakain ng tao ang impeachment.
Lalong-lalo na po yung mga mahirap at walang ibang malalapitan kundi ang gobyerno. Hindi naman nakakain itong impeachment.
Ang tanong nila kung makakain ba daw itong impeachment process, pero marami namang bagay sa buhay na importante rin na hindi nahahawakan. Tulad ng hustisya. Ang hustisya, hindi nga natin makita yan, hindi natin mahawakan niya, pero napakahalagang bagay po sa buhay ng tao.
Senator Cayetano, I believe, stated it earlier.
Yes, the word is return. So, sabi ko nga, kung ang synonym ng forthwith ay immediate, may synonym din po ang dismiss. Yan po ay remand at saka return. Lalo na kung makita natin that the return is not necessary to achieve the goals of the Senate President. Let's just do what the Supreme Court does when it has a case. Let's issue an advisory. Okay. It's addressable by an advisory. Hindi ko nakikita bakit dinadala kami sa dismissal, remand, return, whatever is the term, Mr. President. Hindi ko alam bakit kailangan tayo bakit ba tayo namimilipit na ipasok ang isang word that is a synonym or can mean dismissal.
Senator Bato is recognized.
Mr. President, that is why we are going to put this into a vote to settle everything.
For the record, Mr. President, I changed the word remand to return, a non-legal term, to make it plain. So it is in no means a dismissal, Mr. President. Kung dismissal din lang, bumalik tayo sa original na
Your Honor,
just to emphasize that it isn't, and just to answer Senator Win na why remand, because the original motion was to dismiss, and I understand why they want it to dismiss. This is a compromise that I feel is both practical and idealistic, Mr. President. In my view, Mr. President.
Bato did not relent with his motion to dismiss the impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte nang inilagay niya as a motion on the record na ilagay sa boto ang dismissal ng impeachment trial ni Duterte dahil nakasaad sa konstitusyon daw na an official should not face more than one impeachment proceeding every year. Kung sinasabi niyang unconstitutional yun, bakit hindi niya ihain sa Supreme Court of the Philippines? Bakit siya gagawa ng motion to dismiss kung siya yung mismong husgado? Dapat si VP Sara Duterte ang magsasabi nun when the trial is already ongoing. Senator judges sila. Wala dapat silang motion to dismiss o kung ano-ano man. Kasi the only thing they ought to do is to judge neutrally sa mga motion, impeachment, or ruling na gagawin nila. Inamiyandahan ni Senator Cayetano ang motion ni De La Rosa to just remand the articles of impeachment back to the House of Representatives instead of outright dismissal. Ngayon, gusto niyang mabigyan ng credit dahil hindi raw nasabi ni Cheese ang pangalan niya after the motion has been approved. And, sir, ako yung original na kahit na unrecognizable na yung motion ngayon dahil sa modification ni Cayetano.
Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, just a short manifestation. With all due respect to the presiding officer, may this humble representation request the presiding officer to refer this motion as motion of Senator Bato de la Rosa as amended by Senator Cayetano, because the way you said it, Mr. President, this is the proposal of Senator Cayetano only. I am already forgotten. So, I just would like to manifest that, please, don't forget me, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records.
Agaran rin namang dinefer o pinagpaliban ng House of Representatives ang pagtanggap at pagsagot ng niremand o nireturn ng articles of impeachment dahil may clarification pang hinihingi ang mga prosecutors. Kaya malamang sa malamang, talagang sa 20th Congress na yan. Pero bakit nga ba gusto nila Coco Pimentel and Risa Ontiveros to start the process? Hindi lang dahil kasi forthwith blah 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 blah. Dahil merong question kung meron bang jurisdiction, meron bang duty, meron bang responsibility ang 20th Congress na ituloy ang impeachment proceeding na inumpisahan sa 19th Congress. This motion to return /remand /pseudo reject the impeachment papers back to the House of Representatives is said to allow the House of Representatives to affirm na wala silang nilabag at malalabag na konstitusyon when the trial starts once again. Kahit nasa Pimentel versus Joint Committee, sinabi doon na basta non-legislative ang function, pwedeng mag-crossover to the next Congress. Kung isipin nyo, medyo may pagkaewan ang motion na ito. Naipasa ito ng lower house with an overwhelming 200 plus signatures. Talagang stall at filibustering technique lang ito ni Senator Cayetano at ng mga Dutertards to delay the impeachment further. Returning the impeachment complaint is just a filibustering tactic to stall and cast doubt on the legality of pushing impeachment into the 20th Congress. Magsasabahan pa nga si Robin at Villanueva. Tas gusto pang patahimikin nila Bato, Villanueva, Padilla at Marcos si Ontiveros. Talaga nagsasabuatan.
Which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, and again, the subject, which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, which is an offshoot of a question of privilege, which takes precedence over all motions. So I restate my motion, Mr. President, to momentarily suspend any action, whether interpellation or seconding speech, on the privileged speech of the good gentleman from Davao, para sa wakas,
Pwede ka na
bigyang
magsalita.
daan.
Pwede mo na sabihin sa microphone.
Inaprubahan natin motion
Para tumigil siya.
kahapon
Point of order.
na manumpa na po kami.
Point of order, Mr.
I still have the floor. I have the floor, Mr. President. I have the floor, Mr. President, to make way for taking of the oath before the presiding officer, Mr. President.
The point of order takes precedence.
I support the minority's push for the convening of the court because I know they don't have the votes. Wala silang boto. Hindi talaga nila mapupush itong impeachment na to. Although it is still nice for them to stand tall and insist what is right. I believe the 2025 midterm elections are also seen as a plebiscite, a referendum on VP Sara Duterte's impeachment. They do not have the votes. Don't be naive. Lines are drawn, allegiance sworn. Sinasabi natin kailangan maging neutral ang mga senador. Well, they are not. Alam na alam nating maakwit yan si Duterte. Maakwit yan. Walang question doon. Pero at least, kapag nagkaroon ng trial, magkakalabasan ng baho. Malalaman ng tao kung ano nga ba ang argument ng mga prosecutor at ng defense. If the defense have nothing to worry about, they should let that trial be. Kasi nga diba sinasabi nila, bakit ka matatakot kung wala ka namang ginagawang masama? Well, ganun din yun. Kung wala silang ginawang masama, payagan nilang matuloy yung trial. Ganun na sinasabi na sa mga aktivista na nagpoprotesta sa fascistic laws like the anti-terror law. Diba? Ang video clip na ito ay galing sa aking series ng News and Worthy Recap. Check the entire videos for the complete weekly news recap and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date sa mga local at global news na I'll make sure will be interesting to you. Particularly you, whatever your name is. Hindi ko alam, sorry. Salamat sa panonood mga kaparami. Like, subscribe, follow me like sa socials and avoid Joseph that will be linked down below. So susunod, of course, paalam.